Oh, 5, 6, 7, and preparation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, stay po niya, stay. Kasi napilin. Kanin, come on. Come on. Ha? Isa pa iwa pa. Isa pa iwa pa. Isa pa iwa pa. Isa pa iwa. Okay, come on. Isa pa. Kapilin sa napilin, no? Oh, very good. This one is our juvenile future champion. Okay. Mani ba tao? Kaya kuha tayo. Maulong. Magigit. Anak yun. That's the attitude of champion. Future champion. Ha? Okay. Okay, ready. Commence to face diagonal to the wall. Okay, preparation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close chains. Natural turn, face diagonal up, line dance. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, miss. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. Balik. Stand up, everybody.
Perfect.
Line up. Okay. Okay. Quiet. Parang nagantag mo. Hindi masayang inyong time. Nagantag ma. Learn. Okay? So, unya na ta mag-topic ini kuman. Okay? Space. So, mananata sa yesterday's drive action. Hopefully, ato nang i-apply sa atong sayaw. Okay. So, karon is ang leg foot action ato nang i-take up. So, means apply ninyo ang duha ka topic na atong gi-discuss sa gahapon karon. Now, ato lang i-klaro para ma-apply gyud nato ang kuan ang katong atong gi-take up na topic karon, maghimo ta og drills, no? So, first na itong buhaton. Watch. Kanilang sa siya. Lower. Good. Lower. Left foot forward. Right. Okay. Now, baba. Na. Sige. Push. Leg. Good. Feel ang pag-transfer sa inyong weight. Backward. Forward. Backward. Push. Push forward. Push backward. Okay. Sige, balik-balik ka para mahanap. Ulikon ang tiil.